Hi there. Is real estate a good investment? In this video, we will consider 9 compelling reasons to invest in real estate, including the fact that it can protect you from rising inflation. At the end of the video, I will also point you to a resource that can help you make sure that your investment pays off. My name is Manyara Kirago. I'm a financial planner and coach. I have helped thousands of high-earning professionals achieve financial independence and stabilize their financial situation in the over 20 years of my professional practice. Many of my clients end up investing in rental real estate as their main source of passive income, financial security, and inflation hedge. I want to tell you why right now. It is said that 90% of all really wealthy people become so through real estate investments. They may be industrialists, traders, or new wave technology entrepreneurs, but after the initial burst of business growth, their generational wealth is most often anchored in real estate investments. By the way, if you like learning how you can improve your financial situation, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you click the bell icon to receive notification when I post a new video. Also, share it with a friend or 2 or 10, and also family members who you think should consider investing in real estate. Now let's jump right in. There are many ways to invest in real estate. You can buy undeveloped land and hold it in anticipation of appreciation. You can buy undeveloped land and subdivide it and sell the smaller plots. You can buy undeveloped land and build houses or apartments for sale. You can also buy undeveloped land and build houses or apartments to hold for rent. You can buy apartments off-plan and hold for rent. You can buy existing apartment complexes and hold for rent, and so on. There are many permutations of the above, and the possibilities are endless. My clients are usually busy professionals who have neither the time nor the stomach for stressful side businesses. When it comes to real estate investments, I found from study, observation, and practice, what works best for most of them is investing in existing multifamily rental property. I often tell the story of my father's journey. My dad, who was a clerk in the East African Railways many years ago, stumbled into a small multifamily property in Eastleigh, Nairobi. I really should not say stumbled. It is disrespectful. It is disrespectful because such things do not usually come by chance. It happens as a result of a mind that has been actively searching for solutions to their challenges. Anyway, my dad and my shopkeeper mother paid a deposit of less than 20,000 shillings, which was at that time their life savings, and bought a small apartment block for 90,000 shillings. The balance was financed by Standard Chartered Bank. The loan repayment was covered by the rental income. Fast forward 40 years down the line, after providing our family with our financial needs for all those years, we finally sold the property for 30 million shillings to do other things. From a deposit of 20,000 shillings, after years of collecting rent, a final exit of 30 million shillings. That's the power of real estate investing. Multifamily rental real estate property is often called an ideal investment. This is an acronym that summarizes its attributes. I for income, D for depreciation, E for equity buildup, A for appreciation, and L for leverage. Another way of explaining the attributes of multifamily rental real estate property is number one, it produces predictable cash flow. A well-managed property will produce predictable cash flow for two reasons. Reason number one, the tenants will be well vetted for their ability and faithfulness in meeting their rent obligation. Also, for tenants, rent is usually the first obligation they honor when they get paid. They pay rent before they buy food, gas, and everything else. Two, we only invest in property with many tenants, so it's unlikely that more than a few will default in rent. This is why investing in single apartments is risky. If the tenant defaults or vacates, you have zero or negative cash flow. Another thing is it produces passive income. My clients do not have the time or inclination to collect rent or fix toilets. As an investor, you can employ professional management to collect rent and manage the property. All you do is manage the manager, which is a minor task, and you receive the monthly payments. You have control. You have quite a measure of control within the limits of the market as to how much rent you charge and the expenses that you incur. The same cannot be said of other investments such as stocks, bonds, and such. You have inflation protection. As a property owner, you are able to increase your rental income as the general prices of things and goods and services increase, thereby protecting you from inflation. The property appreciates. The value of the property increases as the general price of goods and services go up. But with multifamily rental property, there is still another angle to it. You see, the value of such a property is to a large extent dependent on its operating income. As the investor, you have the ability to increase its value by increasing the operating income, either by increasing the rent or reducing the expenses. You also have tax benefits. There are a number of tax deductions that are allowed from your rental income. Depreciation, yes, that's right, depreciation. Interest charges on your loans, and all the operating expenses, which include your caretaker, security, and all. Your accountant will be able to advise you there. Another advantage is limited risk. With thorough due diligence, real estate investment is less risky than, say, business startup. It is also comforting to know that if the bank finances you, you can be sure that they will have done a thorough due diligence job and have judged it to be a worthwhile risk. Another advantage is scalability. Real estate investment is almost limitless in its ability to be scaled up. And the more you own, the easier it becomes. Another advantage is legacy. Real estate is one of the best and easiest ways to build and pass on generational wealth. So there are many reasons to invest in rental real estate, as it can give you the passive income, financial security, and opportunity to build generational wealth that many people yearn for. However, this will happen only if it is done right. Not every property is the right property. Not every price is good value. And not every property manager will do an effective job. If you are ready to secure your future with multifamily rental property, I invite you to reach out and book a Zoom call with me. And together, we will figure out if our Eternity Real Estate program is something that is appropriate for you. To book that call, please click on the link in the description below. I hope that this video has helped you understand the many advantages of investing in real estate. I wish you a blessed day and can't wait to see you in the next video.